Hello, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and in this video I'm going to talk about my new product, which is called Mentalism Secrets Volume 3. And wow, you're going to learn over 30 amazing new mental card magic routines. Okay, it includes 24 instructional videos on here. You're going to learn um, Easy ACAN 1, Easy ACAN 2 with transposition, Easy ACAN 3, ACAN 4, ACAN 5, which is a one finger cut. My new ACAN number 6, a new informational mentalism glimpse, which may be used for any kind of mentalism. A 2 deck ACAN, any card at any number. Okay. Um, so this Mentalism Secrets Volume 3 is all about ACANs, any card at any number. I love this plot. You're going to learn Kogan's Indicator, which is Ed Marlowe from Ed Marlowe book. You're going to learn the Lazy Man's Card Trick, which is attributed to Harry Lorraine, Jack Miller, and Joseph Ovett and others. You're going to learn the magic happens in your hands, which is a Cliff Green incredible ACAN, which happens in the spectator's hands. You're going to learn my new Diamond Cut Diamond, which is a variation of Alex Elmsley routine. You're going to learn my incredible routine with the Svengali deck, which is a great way to do an ACAN. You're going to learn the Svengali deck performed with a regular deck. You're going to learn something called the James Miracle, created by Stuart James, which is an awesome effect. You're going to learn the number transposition, which is created by Ed Marlowe. The perfect prediction, which is created by Chester Morris, who is also an actor and a magician. The premonition, which is a utility effect, which may be done for, as an ACAN or a stop at any card type of effect. You can create your own. These are principles. You can create your own card magic with these as well. You're going to learn the quadruple coincidence created by John Scarney. Ultimate Match by Carl Foves. Try This for Size by Richard Himber. My original Weighing the Aces, which is one of the greatest cutting the aces there is. And the business cards ACAN, which is a great way to hand out your business cards. So this is $29.99, and you're going to learn over 30 amazing new mental card magic ACAN routines. So thank you very much.